finding white space between the glut of compact crossovers currently on the market has become a preoccupation for many car manufacturers of late. Toyota, though, seems to have found some for the CHR, an all-new model intended to replace a number of 5-door offerings in the firm's international lineup. The disparate nature of its predecessors, which include conventional hatchbacks as well as a short-lived, oddball mini MPV, the urban cruiser, helps to explain some of the thinking behind the model's mixed-coupe looks, designed to combine coupe, hatchback and crossover influences. This approach could hardly be claimed as novel, crossing over conventional vehicle norms being what crossovers were always intended to do, and yet, on first inspection, the CHR seems to do it with more conviction than most.